What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be welding on my tip for my 3G. Got it all placed how I want it, so I'm gonna have to be doing this a little one-handed. I've got someone else to hold the ground. Tried putting it up on my exhaust hanger, did not work. So we are going to be welding it with one hand. We're gonna see how it goes, and we're gonna get rowdy after this. So enjoy. Damn it. Fuck. Got too hot. Let me try something out.
Well, there she is, guys. Let's get a first start up on this old girl now. Go get the keys.
Got the elbow back on. It's looking pretty good. I'd say I'd give myself a solid 6, maybe a 7 on the welds. They weren't the best, but I mean, for never welding a tip, and I'm just not a welder, I'd say it's not bad. But yeah, for all y'all new to the channel, this is my 2006 Ram 2500. These are my winter tires. Some Hostiles 20x12s on some 33s. Yeah, we still got plenty of tread on there. But yeah, no. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'm definitely gonna be posting more content. Probably like my first video. So yeah, peace out.